Tired of messy cables cluttering your workspace? Meet Joyroom's cable clips. Reason 1, 7.5 millimeter slots fit most cables, even iPhone chargers, perfectly. Reason 2, magnetic clamp design lets you manage cables with one hand. Reason 3, enhanced adhesive leaves no residue, sticks to any surface. Imagine a tidy desk, cables neatly organized, no more tangles. Perfect for home, office, or car, wherever you need cable management. Compact design fits in tight spaces, hidden yet effective. Easy installation. Clean surface, stick, press, and wait for 24 hours. Includes replacement sticky pad for reuse, ensuring long-term organization. Join countless others enjoying a clutter-free workspace with Joyroom. Ready to transform your space? Click the link to order now. Joyroom. Cable clips. Simple, effective, and essential for every tech-savvy user. Find the product link in the description.